Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're a book lover using an iPhone, you're in for a treat. In today's video, I'll show you how to view and organize your library like a pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, launch the Books app on your iPhone and go to the library. Now tap on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen, and this menu will come up. And if you want to see a list of your books instead of a grid, then tap on List, and your library layout will change to List. Now tap on the three-dot icon again. Then tap how you want to sort the books. You can select Recent, which will put recently read books first. Then you can sort the books by title or author, which will arrange them alphabetically based on your choice. You can also remove books as you like. For that, tap on the three-dot under the book that you want to remove. Next, tap Remove from the pop-up menu. After that, hit Remove Download, and it will be removed from your device. And tap on the three-dot again, and tap on Remove again. After that, just tap on Hide Book, and it will be gone from your library. So guys, that's how you view and organize your library in the Books app on your iPhone. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.